Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Easy Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to convert a video into images using VLC Media Player. It's a simple trick that can help you extract frames from any video with just a few clicks. Before we dive in, if you are into tips and tricks for creative tools, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and you'll never miss a new video. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is that we want to open our video with the VLC Media Player. And we have our video here. It's a 10 seconds long. Now we need to go to the settings. So go to tools and click preferences. Now click over here, show settings. Make sure that this all is selected. There's a million settings here. So we just click over here in the search bar and type in scene filter and select it. Over here you can change the format of your image, so you can choose this PNG or JPG or JPG or whatever you want. With the file name prefix, this will add this prefix to the file name as the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 and so on. Over here you can change directory path. Over here this ratio means that for example number 3, if you put this, this means that 1 image out of 3 is recorded. So if you put 1, it will put out every second of your video. I'm fine with that, so I will put this one and click save. Okay, now we need to enable our filter. So go to tools, go to preferences, again show settings all, go a little bit down, but now don't expand this, instead click these filters and you can see over here scene video filter. Enable it and click save. And we now enabled our scene filter that we set up before. If I click play on our video, hit play. Now go to your pictures folder and over there you will find your images. And this is it. This is how you convert video to images with VLC Media Player. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Drop some likes and see you in some other video. Bye bye.